Welcome back. I did a video about these blinds, DIY blinds that I built. So now I've got the camper van sealed in apart from that window, which I run out of stuff, which I am going to order. But it's not going to make that much difference. So we're testing the box art tonight. I put the thermometer outside. It's not the best thermometer, but it's thereabouts. We'll see how cold it is outside, and then we'll see how warm it is in here. And then I'll get it as warm as I can in here, and then we'll see how long it takes to cool down. I'm going to leave it overnight, I think. But yeah, let's do it. So it's saying 0.5 at the moment. It's not been as cold, not going to be as cold tonight. But 0 should do. It's cold enough. I know it's been really, really cold these last few nights. So I'll let you know what it is in here. So I've just ate food. So I've cooked in here. I had to open back door just like some steam and smoke out. Oh, we're at 23.9 degrees. Sorry. So I'm going to turn the heater off. It's 9 o'clock. Well, it's 10 past 9. It's 9 o'clock. I've got to turn it off because I'm absolutely red hot in here. It'll probably be about 0 outside. Maybe just a bit below because it is getting later in night. I'm going to turn it off and I'll check it in an hour. And we'll see where we're at. And then if I'm still up at 12, I could just check it at 12 and let you know. See you in a bit. Can just tell if you're looking for it. You obviously can tell with that one. You can't really tell with that one. That one's not right though. Hello. So it's been an hour since I did that last reading. And I can't see what I'm doing. Ah. So it's been an hour since I turned diesel heater off, and it's now 18.7 degrees in here. It's actually gone down more than what I thought of that. So it's 18.7. And if we just go off Mexpert, so it's round about 0 minus 1 outside. Well, I'll check in another hour. So we're back an hour later, roughly. Actually a bit just over an hour. I'm just trying to turn this thing on again. You know what, I don't know if I... So it's been 2 hours since I turned diesel heater off. I'm not sure if this thing's right or not because it's going up. Just give a couple of minutes. So yeah, it's roughly 15 degrees in front of me. And that's like, it's probably about, I said 2 hours but it's not, it's over. About 2 hours 20. 2 hours 20, it's gone from 23 to 15. So I'm nodding dog at the minute, so I'm going to call it a night. And in the morning I'll let you know what it is. Good morning. So I think it's about 9:26, 9:37. I'm a right lazy git. I can't believe how long I've slept. I had a really good night's sleep though. Really, really good. I have a better night's sleep in this van than I do actually at home. It's 13 degrees. No, it's not. What is it? Wait until it stops. It's jumping around. Seven. It's around 7 degrees in van now. So, it's not too bad. Let's see what it says it is outside. My phone will let me in. 0. So it's 0 outside and it's 7 degrees in van. Well, it's not bad. I thought it'd be better than that, but it's not too bad. At least it's not like over the last few days. When I came in this yesterday morning, my bottles of water had actually frozen. But I'd not had eating on in here for like a week, so it's not too bad, I suppose. If you didn't put your heating on in your house, it'd be still cool, wouldn't it? You know. Oh, I'm quite happy with it. It'd be nice to have tested it though when it was like -7. That'd have been good. Oh yeah, good stuff. I'm gonna have a cup of tea now, and I'll have some breakfast. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later. I forgot to mention, I've got a brew.